One way to install Power BI Desktop is through Microsoft Store. First, search for Microsoft Store in Google and open the first link, Microsoft Store Download Apps. And then in this store search bar, type Power BI. When Power BI Desktop appears, click on it and then select Download. This will download Power BI Desktop Installer to your laptop. Open the Power BI Desktop Installer from your Downloads folder. Double-click it. Click on Install and wait for few minutes for the installation to complete. Click Open. Once done, Power BI Desktop will be ready to use.